welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get these soft, big, romantic curls for Valentine's Day that's coming up pretty soon and go from this to this. Everyone from Cindy Crawford to Kim Kardashian to Deepak have flaunted these curls and they look super romantic and it's so easy to pull them off. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Now without further ado, let's begin. I'm starting with fresh, clean hair. I've just washed it and dried it. And while washing, I applied the shampoo and the conditioner, but I applied less conditioner to the roots and more to the ends, because if you apply too much conditioner at the roots, your hair will fall flat. If you want more volume, apply less conditioner. I'm going to first curl my hair before I loosen it out to get those voluminous waves. And the curler that I'll be using is from Medina. This is a 1 1/4 inch. This is a 2-in-1 straightener and a curler, and I'm just going to be using the curler today. I also use the straightener on a regular basis and I absolutely love this product, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box for you guys. But before I use any kind of heat on my hair, I'm going to be using a heat protectant spray. The one that I'm using is the Chi Iron Guard. I'm just going to spray it all over my hair and massage it gently. What this is going to do is it's going to form a thin layer over your hair and protect your hair from all that heat. Otherwise, it's very easy to burn your hair with that heat. So always use a heat protectant spray before you dry your hair or use your straightener or curler or any kind of heat on your hair. I'm going to center part my hair. You can also side part your hair, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to tie up one side of my hair. While I was doing all this, I had turned on the curler, so it's hot and ready to go. And I've also detangled my hair and brushed it gently. Now I'm going to take small sections of my hair, insert it into the clamp of the curler, and start curling it away from my face. I'm going to hold that hair in the curler for about 10 seconds before I release it. And the reason I'm curling it away from my face is to get the volume. Your hair automatically looks bigger when you curl it away from your face. If you start curling it towards your face, you get more of a retro tight curls kind of a look. But if you want more volume in your hair, practice curling it away from your face. Also, you don't necessarily need to use a 1 1/4 inch curler. That's what I prefer for my hair. But you can also use a 1 inch curler, 1 1/2 inch curler. You can also use a 2 inch curler, whatever you prefer. And because we're going for those loose waves, you don't have to make your curls very tight. It's okay to have it a little bit loose because we'll be loosening it further anyway. Also, I've seen a lot of people tie their hair up and as they curl it, they let it down loose. But I like to do it this way where I'm curling it, sectioning it out and then clipping it on top. That way it doesn't interfere with the other hair and I can section out and curl the other hair easily. But you can do whatever is easy for you. And I'm using heat resistant hair clips to section out the curls and hold it in place. I'm going to take off the clips on the side, and as you can see, I have those tighter curls. I'm not going to loosen it right away because I want it to set the way it is. So let it be the way it is, and at the end we will loosen it. Let's work on the other side, and I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. Take small sections of hair, insert it in the curler clamp, and start curling it away from the face. The size of the curls depends on the size of the curler. If you have a smaller curler, you get more structured, more ring-like curls. If you have a bigger curler, you get more loose curls, which are more bouncy. If you have super straight hair that won't hold the curls, You can spray a little bit of hairspray along with your heat protectant spray even before you start curling, and then start curling your hair. That way it'll hold the curls. And then after curling your hair, you can use the hairspray one more time before loosening it. I'm not going to be using a hairspray today, one because my curls hold pretty well, I have wavy hair, and second because I have another recording after this, so I'm going to skip the hairspray altogether. After I'm done curling all my hair, I'm going to release it and lightly brush it with a boar bristle brush. And the reason I'm using a boar bristle brush is because it's very delicate on the hair. It doesn't damage the hair and you don't feel any pain or pulling or tugging. So I love this brush. This is when you can use the hairspray if you like, but I'm going to skip it like I said. And while I brush it, I'm also going to flip my hair upside down and start loosening the curls. This is what is going to add volume to your hair. And then you can finish up and set your hair the way you want. And here is my finished look. Looks luxurious, sultry, and so apt for a Valentine's dinner. And best of all, it gets done within 10 minutes. That's it, my friends. I hope that was easy enough. If you recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box right below this video, along with all the products that I used today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.